Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a badge number in Flutter. For making badge number, I want to use this package. I just copy it and paste it in PubSpec YAML under this and get PubSpec. After we done, we go to our main file. I just want to change my home page, so I delete this and make a new one. I just want to say stateful my home page. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this. In my scaffold, I want to say I want to normal app bar, and inside of my body I'm going to have a button in center and I'm going to say set badge number, and for onPress I'm going to say I want to use a function called set badge number. I'm going to send a counter. For example, I want to make a new number as 1, and I want the context to show it in my snack bar. I'm going to declare the function here, void set badge number. I want int for count and build context. I wanted asynchronous. Okay, I want to make a I want to use that package to make a badge number. Going to say await Flutter dynamic icon set application badge number, and I'm going to pass the count here. So for catch, I'm going to say e log dot e dot toString, and I have to add that log, I think, from developer. Now for showing the user, I'm going to get the badge from the Flutter dynamic island. So I'm going to say I want badge number. I'm getting it from Flutter dynamic island dot get application, and I want to show it as a snack bar message. Scaffold messenger of context dot show snack bar, text badge number set as that badge number, and I'm going to run it. So if I click on this button, the operating system asks me allow to do this or not. If I set allow, our response is coming from Flutter dynamic island, the dynamic icon. If I go to home, you see there is a one number badge. So if I want to change it, for example, say 99, and save it, hot reload it, and going back here, you see we have 99. And if I want to get rid of it, I set 0 and run it. It says as 0 and there is no badge number. I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a like on the YouTube, and please subscribe to my channel.